Guys, welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning January 2nd to the 8th, 2023, using the SPC December 2020 mystery kit, which I'm so happy I finally got to use it for the week that I closed on my mortgage after 2 years of waiting. Can you imagine? So I'll pair this kit with some silver foil and terrazzo underlays from SPC. I was meant to use Planner Hannah terrazzo headers, but I forgot that I had them. And then when I found them, I had already put down headers, so I couldn't. But anyways, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So I'm going to let you guys watch me lay down the rest of the base to some music, and I'll be back for the day by day. Enjoy! Okay, so let's get into the day by day. I think I started off with a sidebar, hopefully. Maybe, I'm not sure. But in the sidebar, I had the sticker from Planner Face that says 3 weeks into moving day, because we were moving in like at the end of the month, even though we had closed this day. We were at the house every day for the most part anyways. So, start with Monday. I marked that it was a bank holiday because the New Year's Day was on Sunday, so we got our replacement bank holiday. I used an asterisk icon from the kit. Again, I made all the other scripts that I don't say where they're from, I did make. I then used the alarm clock icon from the foil bundle and an up early script from SPC to note waking up early. I noted a plan with me binge with a planner icon from SPC and a script from Planner Hannah. Then I noted being super duper tired with this pillow icon from the Crafty Planner Co and a tired AF script from Planner Hannah. Into the extender, I noted having some playtime with Malik with this baby feet icon from the kit and a playtime script. from SPC, and a with Matic script from Planner Hannah. Then noted having my morning tea with this icon from SPC and script from Planner Hannah. Now it's a Malik cuddles with this sticker from Make Plans and the script from Planner Hannah. Most of the scripts are from my Planner Hannah custom multi, if you were wondering. And then I noted doing some filming with a phone icon. I think maybe I was filming somewhere else if I used a phone to note it. And a filming day script from Planner Hannah. I noted taking some pictures with a camera icon from the foil bundle. Then I noted that Malik was with his dad with this scribbler from SPC and a with dad custom script from Adobe Amy Designs. Next I noted cooking some dinner with this old school scribbler and a cooked dinner script from Planner Hannah. I noted playing with some stickers with a sticker sheet icon from the foil bundle and a script again from Planner Hannah. Then I noted doing some memory planning for Malik with this baby girl sticker from PMD Stickers. And then finally I noted a YouTube binge with a YouTube play button from the foil bundle and a script from Planner Hannah. Moving on to Tuesday, I used this old laptop icon that I have from a shop that I don't remember, and a J in Office custom script from Make Plans so that my husband went into the office this day. Then noted waking up early again with another alarm clock icon from the foil bundle and the up early script from Planner Hannah. I then noted being annoyed at something, I don't remember what, with this angry cat sticker from Sweet Ava's paper. I then noted having my morning tea with a tea icon from, a hot drink icon from the foil bundle and a script from Planner Hannah. I then noted having to call the mechanics with this car icon from the foil bundle. I noted binge watching some more Plan With Me's with a planner icon from Starlight Paperco, I think it's called, and a binge watch script from Planner Hannah. I noted signing the transfer papers for our home with this signed sticker from Once More of Love, and I put a house icon on top of it to note that. I noted doing some planning with this PMT sticker girl and a planning time script from SBC. I then noted that it was super duper windy, and as I was walking to my car it was really windy with this sticker from Beneva's Creation, which I thought was perfect. Then noted that as we were eating, Malik kept licking his fingers with this heart icon from the foil bundle. Then noted that our solicitors were annoying me because it was the last second and they were not going as fast as I was with this sticker from Papershire. And I finally noted watching shows with my husband with this sticker from What's With Love and a with Babe custom script from Planner Hannah. Moving on to Wednesday. So at the top of Wednesday I might be sleepy with this bed icon from the foil bundle and a script from Planner Hannah. I then noted cuddling Malik with this sticker from Make Plans and a Cuddle My Love script from the foil bundle. Noted having my morning tea with this hot drink icon from SBC. I noted calling my solicitors with a phone icon from the foil bundle. I then noted booking some nursery visits with this phone icon from the kit. And next I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from the foil bundle and a script from Planner Hannah. I then noted that this was the day that the print press and crock was released with this bag icon from the foil bundle. I noted more planning time with a planning sticker from PMD Stickers and a script from SBC. I noted watching some TV again with Johnson, my husband, with this sticker from Once More of Love and a script from SBC. Next I noted that Malik went to bed early with this Beneva's Creation sticker and then an early night script from Tilly Journals. Finally, I noted having some late night snacks with this snack sticker from Carly Plans and a late night script from Happy Sticker Designs, who I do PR for, so use my code ADIATO15 to get 15% off of your order. Moving on to Thursday, I noted that my husband was working from home with this house icon from the foil bundle and a J working from home custom script from Make Plans. I noted cuddling Malik with this Make Plans sticker and a cuddle time script from SBC. I noted having a morning tea with this hot drink icon from the foil bundle. Next, into the extender, I noted that Malik was taking more steps with these feet icons from PMD Stickers. I noted a YouTube binge for YouTube play button from the foil bundle and a YouTube binge script from a Planner Hannah. I noted a Plan With Me binge with this Starlight Paperco. Please tell me I'm saying them right, I hope I am. Planner and a binge watch script from Planner Hannah. I noted watching more shows with my husband with the same Munchkin sticker and a with Babe script from Planner Hannah. I noted calling my solicitors again because I had to make sure I was on them to make sure we closed on the 6th, which was the next day. Is this phone icon from the foil bundle to note that. I noted booking our cleaners for our home with this made sticker from What's With Love. I then noted doing some packing with a box icon from the kit. And then I noted starting to feel excited that we would be closing the next day with this Mixie Cat stuffed cat. Finally, I note that Malik went to bed early again with this sticker from Papershire and an early night script from Tilly Journals. Moving on to Friday. So on Friday, I noted waking up early with this alarm clock icon from the foil bundle and an up early script from Planner Hannah. I noted getting ready with this Jalen Paperco sticker. And then I noted packing a Malik's nappy bag with this baby grow sticker. I think it's from Sticky Perks. I noted having my morning cup of tea with this icon from Planner Hannah. And then a planner binge with this planner from Starlight Paperco. To note that. I noted getting some petrol with this petrol sticker from Paper Candy Art and a Get Gas script from Planner Hannah. Next, I noted finally closing after 2 years with this Goldman and Coco girl holding keys to the house or something like that. And then I noted getting our keys with this keys icon from Planner Papershire. I noted visiting a nursery with the schoolhouse stickers from What's My Love. We visited 2 and chose one of them. Then I noted finally going home with this house sticker from Papershire. I noted doing all the furniture shopping finally with this Jalen Paperco girl and a shopping script from SBC. I noted feeling excited again with another Mixie Cat stuff sticker and then a YouTube binge with a YouTube play button icon from the foil bundle. And a YouTube binge script from Planner Hannah. I noted driving back to my mum's house with a car icon from the foil bundle. Then I noted, well, we did this FaceTime thing before, but I just had to mark it this way. I noted FaceTiming my mum and my husband's mum to show them the house with this sticker from Fox and Cactus and a with grandparent script from Planner Hannah. Then I noted having some TV time after we went back to my mum's house with my husband with the sticker from What's With Love and a TV time script from SBC. And then finally I noted cuddling Malik with the sticker from Make Plans and a cuddle time script from SBC. Moving on to Saturday. So at the top of Saturday I marked waking up early with this alarm clock icon from the foil bundle and an up early script. I think it's from SBC, yeah. I then noted getting ready with this nail polish icon from the foil bundle. I noted my morning tea with a teacup icon from Planner Hannah. I noted packing the car with this car icon from the foil bundle and then driving to our house with this house icon from the foil bundle also. So first we needed to let the cleaners in, so I used this Simply a Mess sticker to note that. Then I noted after the cleaners were done, we started moving in our stuff with this box of stuff sticker from Papershire. And then I noted we went to IKEA, but I noted it in different order because of the way that the munchkin was facing. So I used this trolley icon from the foil bundle to note that Malik was in the trolley and he was super excited to be in there. And then I noted that we took an IKEA trip with this munchkin with shopping bags to note that. I then noted getting a bunch of Happy Mail of all the furniture that I had ordered the previous day with this Bubba Bear Studio sticker and a Happy Mail script from Randy.plans, I believe. I noted that my husband was building my planner desk, which I'm sitting at right now, with this Make Plans sticker. Then noted that as he was doing that, I was organising the kitchen with this box of stuff sticker from Papershire. I then noted that Malik was a bit scared of the drill and he was a bit unsettled being in the house because he wasn't familiar with it, with this sticker from Joy Planning. I noted a Plan With Me binge because I had brought my iPad with me, so I was doing all the other stuff with this planner from Starlight Paperco. And then I noted going back to my mum's house with another car icon from the foil bundle. I think some of them are just from the icon sheets, but these icons are from the foil bundle. I noted watching shows with my husband with this What's More of Love sticker and a TV time script from Planner Hannah. Moving on to Sunday. So at the top of Sunday I marked being super duper tired with this sleeping mask icon from the foil bundle and a tie-dye F script from Planner Hannah. I then noted cuddling Malik with this sticker from Make Plans and a cuddle script from SBC. I noted another Plan With Me binge with the same planner I've been using all week and a binge watch script from Make Plans. I noted ordering our fridge with this Jalen Paperco girl. And then I noted getting a Tesco delivery with this sweet choir design grocery bag sticker and a Tesco delivery script from Planner Hannah. I noted ordering some takeout with these chips icons from the foil bundle and a takeout script from Planner Hannah. And then that Malik was with my husband with this scribbler from SBC and a Daddy Sometime script from Planner Hannah. And I do more of my assignment with this girl from, what is this shop called? Oh no, I can't remember the name of the shop. It will come to me randomly. But this girl on a laptop and an assignment script from GP Studio. And finally, I ended up watching more shows with my husband with this Munchkin sticker and a TV time script from SBC. So that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what you thought of this spread. And yeah, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a wiggle to see all this silver foil. I haven't used silver in a long time. And that is actually my favourite foil colour. But I just haven't used it in so long. And yeah, what was left of the kit. And I shall see you in the next video. Bye.